Highnesses, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite for the welcoming remarks Engineer Akin Tabohu, who is going to tell us why we are here.
The Executive Governor of Nasarawa State, the Deputy Governor, House of Assembly members, distinguished guests, dedicated staff, cherished friends, it is with immense pride and profound joy that I stand here before you as a privileged owner of TredView Hotel Suites. On this monumental occasion of our grand commissioning, today marks not just opening of a building, but the birth of a dream. A sanctuary where comfort meets elegance and every guest feels reality. From the very inception of TredView Hotel Suites, our vision has been crystal clear: to redefine hospitality in our vibrant community, where travelers, families, business professionals alike can escape the ordinary and immerse themselves in imperial experience.
Now I'm the happiest because I see my son, my 18 years old son, he breaks a chain, he go out of my cage, and now he's on his own. You welcome everybody and thank you.
To thank firstly His Excellency the Executive Governor, our son of Nasarawa State, for creating this environment that has made it possible for all of these things to thrive. Why I say I'm the happiest is because it is happening at my own time. On behalf of my people, our people, and the people of Lafia and the people of Nasarawa State, we thank you all of you.
Thank you so much for coming, and I pray and we hope that this great edifice will bring much growth and development in the city of Lafia and Nasarawa as a whole.
I'm moved, and I want to congratulate Engineer George. I want to congratulate you sincerely, because in this part of the world, where people actually don't show appreciation to the ones that they are bringing up, for somebody to have worked for you from Gombe all the way here, from all the former companies that you have been, and you brought him actually like your son that you said. And today, to see him within these 18 years, you are not among those that are keeping, maybe he cut some corners. You are among those that are saying congratulations to my son. I think this is the biggest congratulations that I want to give. You have considered life here your home, and you have considered life here where to invest. It's because you are welcome, you are accommodated, you are appreciated. And I want to tell you that we will continue to do that to you and to all the other investors. Our dream one day is to see you expanding your investment from this hotel either to another bigger one, or expanding this one to a much bigger one. With that in mind, I want to use the opportunity actually to thank you all and to begin the commissioning of this edifice. The TredView Hotel Suites was commissioned by His Excellency Engr Abdullahi A, Sule, fellow Nigerian Society of Engineers, FNMGS, Executive Governor of Nasarawa State, on Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025, and may God bless you.